Hello and welcome to day 16 of Christmas Planning Made Easy. Today it's all about the Christmas cards. First things first, are you going to send any cards? You won't be surprised to know that I'm going to keep it simple. We are using up cards that we had left over from last year. So if anybody I know is watching this video, then you know what card you're going to get. The boys may send an odd one, but now they're at senior school. It's not really a big deal to send out lots of cards, but they might just send the odd one here and there. For quite a few years, the boys have helped me with writing the cards. They'll put special messages in some of them. If you're lucky, you will get one of the little pictures. You might get some presents, or even for the privileged few, a picture of a snowman, which is a bit of it's a little bit of fun in our family. If you get a snowman, then that's got that's a sort of a special meaning. It means you're very special to us. If you're sending cards, have you decided who you'll send them to? I think the original idea of cards was that you sent them out to people that you weren't going to see over Christmas. Nowadays we tend to give them to people that we are seeing. We tend to send cards to our immediate family. We also send to extended family, particularly people who are a little bit older and who appreciate the tradition of receiving a Christmas card. And actually, even though I don't feel you have to do cards, it is still nice to get a little trickle of cards. I'm sort of collecting them. We used to have a big strings with them on, but now I'm just collecting, when I get them, they're all sort of going on our piano at the moment. So there's only half a dozen there, but it is still nice to receive them, even though I don't think there's any sort of obligation to do it. If you don't want to do it, just don't do it. For environmental reasons, some people don't think it's a great idea, and maybe e-cards are more your thing. On the other hand, you might be the kind of person that goes all out and does the round robin with a big letter of everything that's been going on to keep in touch with friends and family. We don't tend to send any overseas ones, but obviously that a lot of people do. We'll still send overseas cards to people they just don't get to see very often or at all anymore. And then there's the big question: when should you send your Christmas cards? When we were putting the decorations up, we were watching an episode of Gavin and Stacey, an old Christmas episode, and Gavin's mum Pamela mentions that she's received cards on Christmas Eve and doesn't see the point of it at all, and she always sends hers out at the beginning of November so people can appreciate them for the full 7 weeks. I think we're somewhere in between that, but more towards the sending them out on Christmas Eve. I'm hoping to get them out in the next couple of days. I'm not so worried about the ones that we deliver. We, as I mentioned in other videos, there's just a few neighbours who we like to go and hand cards out to, and we'll probably go in and have a chat and a catch up and a drink maybe, and it's just such a lovely thing. I think we feel like we were losing a tradition if we didn't go around and see those couple of neighbours and hand them their cards and have a proper little festive visit with them on Christmas Eve. So I'm off to start writing some of these, and I will be enjoying my decorations, maybe even some Christmas music and perhaps a festive drink. So if you decide to send cards, best of luck with this mission, and either way, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!